In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a diagnosis in SimplePractice. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to enter one or multiple diagnoses so your documentation stays accurate and organized. Start by opening SimplePractice and heading to the Clients tab. Choose the client you want to work with, then open their overview. This is the client's profile hub, and it's where you'll create and manage most of the clinical documentation tied to their chart. From the Overview page, look for the New button and select Diagnosis and Treatment Plan. This takes you into the area designed for entering diagnostic information that will appear across your notes and can support billing and treatment planning. In the Diagnosis Code field, begin typing either the ICD-10 code or the diagnosis name. For example, you can type F41.1 or Generalized Anxiety Disorder. As you type, a drop-down list will appear with matching options. Select the one that fits your clinical assessment. If you're not sure of the exact code, typing a few keywords can help you narrow it down. Be thoughtful here. Choose the code that accurately reflects your clinical impression and aligns with your documentation and payer requirements. If the client has more than one diagnosis, click the plus icon to add additional codes. You can add as many as are clinically appropriate. Remember, the order matters. Make sure the most relevant diagnosis is listed first. This primary diagnosis should reflect the main reason for treatment or the condition that best explains the client's current presentation. Ordering your diagnoses thoughtfully helps ensure your notes, treatment plan, and claims reflect your clinical priorities. Before you finalize, take a moment to review what you've entered. Confirm you've selected the correct diagnosis from the drop-down. Check spelling if you typed a name, and verify that the primary diagnosis is at the top of the list. A careful review now saves time later and helps maintain a consistent clinical picture across your documentation. When everything looks good, click Save. This stores the diagnosis in the client's file and makes it available for future notes and plans. After saving, your diagnosis selections will be part of the record that informs your treatment planning and supports compliance and billing needs. That's it. Open the client's overview, create a new diagnosis and treatment plan, select the correct ICD-10 code by name or number, add additional codes if needed, set the primary diagnosis first, and save. Thanks for watching, and keep your documentation clear, accurate, and up to date.